Alright, here's another Costco. I think it's clearance now. Or whatever it was, $20 or whatever. It's not worth it. I'm going to let you all know. This is going to be a negative opinion on this. Because it's highly unlikely this is 2500 lumens. Highly unlikely. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 AA batteries. That's just insanely stupid to start off. So yes, it's going to be a negative opinion. Which already people are like, well, negative opinion doesn't mean I'm going to say this is garbage when it's not garbage. It just means, from what I'm looking at, 12 AA's is stupid for 2022. That's just insanely stupid. And 2500 lumens, most likely not. And that's kind of comical that they're saying warning, warning on something that's only doing 2500 lumens. Yeah. Yeah. Warning on that. Where's the warning for this? What is this? Is this 2500 lumens? Anyway, so it says it's just 2500 to 200, and you note there's extremely limited time that's going to do that. So anyway, let's check it out. Again, I highly doubt it's going to do 2500 lumens. And even if it does, you know, what are you going to do? Run this on 200 lumens? This big flashlight. You're just going to run that on 200 lumens using this many batteries when you could have something like this. This is like a $15 flashlight. Blowing it away. Alright? So that's why this is going to be a negative review. There's no way this is 2500 lumens. And even if it is, it's totally useless because of their battery choice. Which Duracell, that's what they're going to do. They're not going to push rechargeables. They're not going to push 18650s. They're going to push what they sell. So, again, it doesn't mean this is bad, because you get the billion of whiners. It's oh, why did you buy it then? I wanted to make this video to piss you off. That's why I bought it. So, alright. A flashlight this big should have 18650s in it. And this is stupid, so we're going to just take that off. That's just stupid. It looks like we have... I mean, that's a single CREE style. Again, now, I'm just doing the signs. A single CREE, 2500 lumens, I don't think so. Not likely. Not likely. Possible? Yeah, it's possible. Actually possible, I'm not sure if it's actually possible. So this is the craziness that they're using to hold all these batteries. Do not use lithium-ion batteries. I wonder why not. Because that's going to be, you know, I'm going straight to them. I'm going straight to lithiums. I just want to see if they're going to fit. I don't think they do fit. Let's see, because it's going to need 4. No, they don't fit. So that's just stupid. Anyhow, so let's do what they say. And just insanely fill this with a bunch of double A's. How far are we in? We're in 4 minutes. We're already in. Most of the people are gone because I said it was going to be a negative opinion. And that's good, because people that can't handle the truth are whiny whiny, 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 whiny need to be slapped, people that ruin this country with their whining. Holy crap, how do you get this in? Okay. Oh. Wow. Wow. That's incredible. So this one seems to fit. These fit easy, and those other ones are just, wow. All right, so some of these don't really fit that great. All right. All right, so I've already forgot what direction to put this in, and it doesn't say. It may not matter. Well, let's see. I already can tell that that's not 2,500 lumens. Okay. Okay, that's your 200. That's your stupid blinking. And that is your not 2,500 lumens. Okay. So let's see. And it's only going to do that for 2 hours. Imagine that. I do not believe that's 2,500 lumens. Okay. So it is coming up brighter than this, although I know this flashlight goes brighter. Yeah, that's not this battery I have in here. Probably is not up to speed. Let's see. Let's try this one. I think that's okay. So these little flashlights supposedly are 1,000 lumens, and I don't think they are. I think they're 800 lumens or something like that. Okay. Well, so this is your 200 lumen. Yeah, I'm starting to. This is brighter than other ones, I'm saying. This may be. It may be like 2,000 lumens. It's hard for me to tell. Pretty sure this is a new battery. Although it still doesn't look like the correct brightness. I know this flashlight goes brighter. Let me try one of these other batteries. I think this one just came up as new. Let's try this. It could be I'm forgetting now. I swore this had a more sharp, brighter. I swore these are brighter. You would think that would help out. There's something wrong with this battery. This LED is dimmer. I don't recall what this one was. Alright, so this is an Ozark Trail. That's got a big beam. I don't remember what the lumens is on the Ozark Trail. I don't know. I'm up in the air. I don't think it's 2,500. You would think it'd be bad for Duracell to lie. However, all you need to do is Google. Everybody lies about their lumens. I don't think it's 2,500. All right. So here's the Duracell 2,500. Using 12 AA batteries, which is, I could feel getting warm. They're probably half dead by now. Here is a bogus kind of thing. This is filled with 18650s. This has 7 CREEs. 7 CREE LEDs. This has the single LED. This claims to be 8,000 lumens, which is probably bogus, but it is pretty damn bright, I'll tell you what. I think this has four. 18650s, or has it got 3? Oh, it's got 3. 3 18650s. Okay. All right. So, turn this puppy on. And then we'll turn this on. It does not over brighten it. Let's zoom in. Okay. All right, so it does put out some light. It puts out a wide beam, which is good. The only problem is it's using 12 AA batteries that are only going to last 2.5 hours. That's no good. The only other option is the is this. Is that option? What good is that? Or a 3 18650s. This thing will probably last. This is a lot more light. I thought I can. No, you can't adjust because it's all those. This one has 3 settings, I believe, of brightness. So, I mean, it seems like a nice light and all. The problem is the batteries. I mean, it's. And why does it say you can't use lithium-ion batteries in here? Do not use lithium-ion batteries. Why is that? Because they're going to melt this? Probably because they're going to melt this. This is my guess. I mean, these batteries are all warm. I mean, what good is that? If you only can have that kind of brightness for a very short period of time, and then you're going to need 12 more of these, you know, the weight of this is ridiculous. That's really ridiculous. So, yeah.